Hi Jennifer, I'm responding to your video on visuals. You covered all of the different type of visuals that you can include in your presentation, and I was a peer trainer for our company, and so I had to create training documents and visuals and things to help the associates as they were learning. And so I know that I spent a decent amount of time on these things, and then just even revamping them, and after getting feedback from people, changing things that would help make the presentation better. I know that you would mention certain numbers and stuff. You definitely don't want them in paragraph forms. You need to be able to break it down for it to be more visually appealing and easier to read. I know that I've used different types of documents depending on what the training was, and on some of the step-by-step documents will even take screenshots of particular areas that they're supposed to be looking at, or buttons that they're supposed to be clicking on. And the visuals are definitely something that really help people, and a lot of the people that have been going through training are more hands-on, and so you have to have a more laid out step-by-step and those visuals of like showing them where to go and how to do it. It's very helpful in the environment that I'm in.